Struggling to wrangle your schedule? Today, we're putting Morgen and Notion Calendar head-to-head to help you reclaim your time. Let's kick things off with Morgen. Morgen's superpower lies in its universal compatibility. Seamlessly pulls together all your calendars, Google, Outlook, Apple Calendar into one beautifully organized hub. See how easily you can connect different accounts in the settings. But Morgen doesn't stop there. It supercharges your productivity by integrating tasks from apps like Notion, Todoist, and ClickUp. Just link your accounts and drag and drop tasks directly onto your calendar for effective time blocking. Observe how the tasks are clearly visible and manageable within the calendar itself. And for a true productivity boost, check out Morgen's AI Planner. It creates daily plans for you and intelligently adapts to schedule changes. It's like having a personal scheduling assistant. Plus, Morgen's available everywhere you are: macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android. It's got you covered. Now, let's shift gears to Notion Calendar. Its core strength is its tight integration with Notion. Watch how effortless it is to connect your Notion databases, visualize your tasks and projects directly within your calendar, and link calendar events directly to relevant Notion pages. This deep connection keeps everything organized and accessible. Notion Calendar shines in collaborative environments, especially within Google Workspace. Easily share your availability and view teammate calendars to streamline scheduling. So, which calendar reigns supreme? Morgen offers broad integration and AI-powered planning, perfect for managing multiple calendars and tasks. Notion Calendar excels within the Notion ecosystem, ideal for teams deeply invested in Notion databases. The best choice depends on your workflow. Consider your integration needs and how you manage tasks to decide which calendar truly unlocks your productivity.